The global system is changing rapidly. Alliances shift. Rules that once seemed stable now appear uneven, and the line between power and principle is becoming harder to see. In this uncertain world, one question becomes critical. Can Africa stand stronger together than apart? With 54 countries and over 1.4 billion people, Africa holds enormous potential. But potential alone is not power. What truly matters today is unity. The international system we once knew is undergoing major changes. For decades, global politics relied on certain expectations, rules-based cooperation, predictable alliances, and institutions meant to ensure stability. Today, those expectations are under pressure. Major powers are recalibrating their priorities. Global crises, from climate change to economic disruptions, are testing international cooperation. And in this evolving environment, countries must rethink how they position themselves. For African nations,
They want results. They want their lives to change. Not tomorrow, yesterday. We don't have the luxury of time. And so,
moment calls not for confrontation or blame, but for strategic clarity. It demands stronger coordination, shared priorities, and a renewed commitment to collective strength. Individually, most African states operate as medium or small powers in global politics. This reality often limits influence in major international negotiations, but collectively, the picture changes dramatically. Africa represents 54 sovereign states, more than 1.4 billion people, and some of the world's most critical natural resources. When viewed as a single strategic bloc, Africa becomes one of the most important regions in the global system. Unity is not simply an ideal, it is a practical instrument of influence. The vision behind institutions like the African Union reflects this understanding: African solutions to African challenges. However, unity cannot remain symbolic. Too often, African states approach global negotiations with fragmented positions. Countries may negotiate separately on trade agreements, climate commitments, or security issues. While these approaches reflect national priorities, they can unintentionally weaken Africa's collective bargaining power. When the continent speaks with many competing voices, external powers gain the advantage. But when African countries coordinate their positions, the outcome changes. Recent climate negotiations and trade discussions have demonstrated that collective alignment strengthens credibility and influence. Unity, therefore, is not about limiting sovereignty, it is about strengthening leverage. One important misunderstanding about unity is the belief that it requires complete uniformity. In reality, African countries differ significantly. They have different political systems, economic structures, and foreign policy traditions. Unity does not mean every country must think the same way. What is required instead is strategic coherence. Strategic coherence means agreement on core principles, shared priorities, common red lines, and mutual support during diplomatic challenges. Many successful regional blocs operate using this exact approach. They protect national interests by embedding them within collective frameworks. Africa can do the same. The current global moment also offers an opportunity. As global powers rethink their strategies, Africa can strengthen its diplomatic identity. This means embracing principles such as consistency in foreign policy, respect for international law, support for multilateral cooperation, and resistance to selective application of global norms. These principles are not about moral posturing. They are about institutional self-preservation. Strong diplomatic frameworks help nations protect their long-term interests. For Africa, coordinated diplomacy could significantly improve its global negotiating power. The real question today is not whether Africa should rise, it is how Africa rises. Sustainable progress will require stronger continental institutions, coordinated foreign policy positions, deeper regional cooperation, and investment in collective decision-making frameworks. Unity must be treated as infrastructure, not just rhetoric, because in an unpredictable global environment, Africa's most reliable safeguard is not alignment with shifting external powers, it is alignment with itself. History shows that periods of global uncertainty reward those who prepare together. For Africa, unity is more than a political slogan. It is the foundation for influence, stability, and long-term prosperity. If the continent moves forward collectively, its voice in the world will be impossible to ignore. Africa's greatest strength is Africa itself. For more insightful articles, visit rightforeducation.org.